you come from? She said she come from Rwanda, yeah. Oh mama, she's a fighter, yeah. Africa law is in her bloodline.